Maybe this. That's wood. That's real strange looking. Hey guys, and welcome back to Ellie Knows Rocks. I am standing in a place called Mack, Colorado. And today we are going to be looking beside the number 4 road for petrified wood. I found this location based on the Gem and Mineral Hunting Guide for Colorado, or rock hounding Colorado. So I am going to look between the paved road right here and the wash, with fingers crossed to hopefully find some good pieces of petrified wood. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure, and let's go see what we find. Alright guys, we are leaving Colorado, and remember this trip was taken back in October, so we are seeing beautiful color changes and the temperatures weren't quite freezing cold. Today we head off in search of petrified wood. Mining guys, look! It's an old mining operation, holy crap, that's cool! We're headed through some amazing canyons and features right now, and this country is just phenomenally beautiful. Blah, blah, blah. I cannot talk. Words are hard right now, I guess. My gosh, guys, there's snow up there on the hill. This was the pass we were going over the other night that was snowing, and it's stuck in the mountains. This is the book I'm using, the Colorado Gem Trails, and I always dog-ear the pages when I've gone to places or planning to go to places. We're leaving Colorado, and this is going to be our first stop after hunting for dinosaurs yesterday, or looking at dinosaur bones yesterday. We're gonna go see if we can follow these directions and get to the collection site. Okay, so far, nothing at all. There's this slaty looking sandstone coming out of parts of the wash. I'm in a small wash right now, but really the only thing on the hills is this. That is not petrified wood. So far there's more butterflies and stuff out here than there's anything else. This is really disappointing at the moment. Generally these books, they're not too far off because someone has come out here, researched the area, made sure that something is still here. But I might have found a little fossil inside of this sandstone. But that's not petrified wood. That's not why I'm here. I'm frustrated right now. Each time I make a decision to go somewhere, it's not necessarily wrong to do that, but it takes a lot of time, right? You are consciously making this decision to go and do something, and then it just eats away at my time, that's all. I'm gonna walk down this larger part of the wash where there's a lot more rocks from way up there, and I'm gonna walk back towards my car, which isn't too far away because I've come across the road now. And if I don't see anything that resembles petrified wood, I'm gonna get out of here because I could spend my time somewhere else and just basically mark in that book that there's nothing here. It says within a 10-mile swath that it says endless opportunities to find even sizable petrified wood. I haven't found anything close to it yet, so we'll see. There is a very miniature small chance that I'm finding what they're calling petrified wood, because I don't have pictures of it at all, of what they find here. But I'm finding this small orange silica replaced. It was very pithy petrified wood, if that's what this is. Finding some worm trails and finding little stuff like this. Pretty sure this is worm trail fossils in sandstone. But, oh, so there's a couple other things that I saw like this. Let's see. Is this what they're calling wood? Oh, wait. I am proven fully wrong right now. This is wood, and this is actually a core. So this is the center of part of a branch, and that is the little fine lines of the wood. Well, at least they weren't wrong, but it's different looking petrified wood than I've found before, that's for sure. Let's keep going. It says you can find some sizable pieces. That's not wood. Oh, those are fossils. I don't know what they are. Fossils were not mentioned anywhere, though, on this description. That's... no. It was right as I turned the camera on to show you guys what I had found. Maybe this. That's wood. That's real strange looking. Real strange. I keep looking. No. Okay, that looks like petrified wood right here. Right there, and so is this little guy. Sweet! Well, crapola, it's small though. And it's only in the wash. That just looks like a seam on some sandstone. Not sure if that's anything, but I should get out a bag, I guess. Now, some of the best depositional environments to find interesting pieces of petrified wood is in clay, siltstone, sometimes sandstone. Sandstone is a great preserver of fossils. Lots of ash is really good to find petrified wood in. Look at all the butterflies, man. They're just freaking out in this bush. You walk past them and they're like, woohoo! That's pretty cute. No. If I don't start seeing something a little bit better, we're gonna move on out and go over towards another area that is not on a book, but I have a location to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, and I haven't moved it yet, just so that it's right there in the ground. This guy right here. So that is, it's actually an interesting piece of petrified wood. Pretty cool looking at us, just like sitting right there also. That one. Yeah, oh, this. Hey, look at that. I don't know what kind of fossils they are, but it looks kind of cool. So, you know, better than nothing. All right, so I am finding some weird stuff that has a lot of imprints. If you look at it with oblique lighting, it's pretty cool. And then I just scooped this out of the ground. So that is definitely a piece of petrified wood. You can see the bark, or not necessarily the bark. Well, I mean, this could be bark, but it's more tree rings than bark. And there's another, like, and it was just right here. It
you know, it's kind of in there like that, but more covered. So that's cool. Excited about that, but I'm looking for chunks everywhere like that. Not just one, I want everywhere. But this part of the wash is pretty clear. You can see a lot more stuff just laying on the surface, which is really helpful, especially since I don't know what layer this is coming from. There's no real geology about where the petrified wood layer is at. And that is kind of important when you're looking for this stuff. But if the information's not there, you just have to go on what other people have told you or have written in a book, in my case. Sample bags are very important, guys. When you're walking around, when you're hiking, I always have 2 or 3 of these with me. Just because they keep your backpack clean, keep your pockets clean, because I'm one of those people who will just shove stuff in their pockets. You can see the wash right here. This is just running through an alluvial fan. So that's what this is. Oh, this is, whatever that is, it's a neat imprint. And you guys know this, I think, already. If I was to keep everything that I found, I'd go insane. Plus, I don't think Dan would be the most thrilled with me. All right, guys, I wanted you to see what it looks like really buried. You saw the one before, but do you see it yet? Actually, this is one. Just behind it, but see that one? We crossed the road. And this is the first 2 pieces that I've found so far. Oh, that's bigger than I thought it was. Look at that. Get all the rough dirt off of it and stuff like that. I wonder where this stuff's coming from, though. It's coming from pretty far away, that's for sure, but not too terrible far away. Just because it's not really well rounded. Definitely way, way, way back up in there, or this layer of sediment just uncovered it, moved it a little bit, and was covered back up. You never know with alluvial fans. Geomorphology can be very funny.
Here's what the overall landscape looks like, guys. Just in case you were curious. And nothing spectacular, nothing special. You just literally have to keep your nose in the ground, and then you will find stuff like this.
Look at this, guys. We've got this piece. Nope. This one. Pretty sweet, huh? Beautiful, beautiful lines on that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's so much easier to walk with the sun at your back so that everything is lit up in front of you. That is the best way to rock hound. It's not always feasible, but if you can search like that, seriously, it's the best way. And once I followed the wash down here, it really opened up. Nice, but same color, not the right texture. Not the right stuff at all. There's almost a matte glassy sheen to what we're looking for. Even though it's dull, there's still just a different texture you're looking at, different things that you can study over time. And that's how I know the difference between, the petrified wood and just the rocks. But sometimes you do have to pick it up to see, that's a very thin piece of wood, but that's a piece of wood. Here's another one of these weird fossils right there. Strange looking. Oh, another piece of petrified wood. So we got a bunch of tiny ones, a couple of them that are palm size. I think that I am satisfied, though. I'll start walking back unless I find something that just blows my mind. The little ones can just kind of be left alone now. Here are all the little pieces that we found from Mack, Colorado. The reason it's so bright yellow is because there's a lot of limonite within this petrified wood structure. And then we get some random cool fossils.
That is a cool looking fossil right there. Big piece.
Had really good preservation of the actual tree rings and possible bark. But this is definitely a very, very unique type of petrified wood for me. I've never found it this bright yellow orange before. I think there were a lot of worm trails and tracks. Overall, it was a cool little adventure. I think that most of these pieces are going to go in my rock garden. You know, guys, being out here on the road, creating content and making videos, it gets tough sometimes. Like it's a little on the rough side, but I really appreciate all of your guys' support and the fact that you guys watch my videos and you love to see what I'm doing. Thank you so much for that support. If it wasn't for you guys, just the liking, subscribing, commenting, this wouldn't happen. So thank you so much. I so appreciate it.